Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Nest Google Thermostat, okay? Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices or to yourself. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. So the first thing you need to do is turn off your system, the machine. This is the switch, so make sure it's off. Right there. Okay. Okay. Now that the machine is off or the switch is off, so we need to remove the thermostat. To remove it, just push it. You see, no power. Pull it up. Right there. Oh, look, the two batteries came out also. So these are AAA. So these one are not good anymore, so I have two new ones. So make sure you put it the right way. Right there. Right there. Okay, make sure the G is not upside down, the letters, the logo, so just same thing, just push it down and that will be okay. Okay, so now battery is working again. So now I make sure the power is on. It will start in a few minutes. Right there. See? So let's go upstairs. Okay, I am replacing the battery because I got a warning message here that say the battery is not good anymore and we need to replace it. So that's the way you replace the battery on a Nest Google Thermostat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Please check my other videos. Give me likes, subscribe, ask me questions, and have a great day.